Hi, my name is Jim Higgins, CEO of Smile Reminder. I'm here to show you a new product that we have called the vSling. Pretty excited about it, and I'll kind of take you to the screen right here to talk about it. So what we're doing is we're actually helping practice capture video testimonials of their patients in the office and via email as well. Now, one of the nice things about that is we know the power of video. You can see here in this capture interface, it's very, very simple to do, but the bottom line is that you can get this out onto the internet so you can have new patient acquisition, which is really the bottom line. So here it's a very simple interface. This can be done via webcam in the practice. Like I said, it can also be done with your patients responding to an email, clicking a button and doing their own webcam, which would come into your practice, and then you could review it and then decide if you want to publish that up to the web or not. So very simple interface. We do video and text, so if someone doesn't want to do the video, they just want to give a text review, that's fine, they can do that. Enter in the information. We take all the descriptions and titles, which is important in terms of search engine optimization. And then what's nice about it is that you can review all of these before you decide to publish or not. So you can review the video, you can save it, you can go ahead and approve it. And this is kind of the neat thing. If you decide to approve and publish, what we do is we take all of that information and we send that out to basically every video sharing site out there, as well as the normal ones like Google and things like that. So when someone says approve and publish, that will be sent out to YouTube, TrueVio, Google Video, about 10 others that you maybe never heard of, a lot of social networking sites as well. And also it'll be on Google. It's Googlebot, YouTube. Obviously the video testimonials or videos are popping up in searches. And one of the most interesting things is that YouTube just passed Yahoo as the second largest search engine. And when you consider that's only video, it's really changing the landscape. So we're looking at this forward and saying, okay, so how are people searching for information? What's the relevant information? How they get there? Once you do that, you just click approve and publish, and it goes out and we take care of the rest. And you're out on every single site you need to be on, and you don't have to worry about it. If you ever want to retract the information, you can simply come back and click retract, and that will be pulled off of all those too. One of the nice things as well with our testimonial feature is that, change the screen here for you. And I'm going to kind of run you through the screen. I'm going to talk a little louder here. Is that we have a landing page. So every practice that is with us, not only do they have this feature, but they have a landing page that we build for them. This is a place that patients can come once they find basic information out about you and find a little bit more. Now this page is optimized for search. I mean, we're indexing this with Google and everything else. And so some of the things you're going to see on here that's really very, very important are all the specialties here. Email, what you're doing is another link to your website. Again, it's information page, but it's essentially built so you can get an appointment from your patient. It has all the information in terms of what people are saying, what customers are saying, if they can access accounts. And this is kind of neat because they can get to social networking sites. So they have things like Stumble, Dig, Delicious. These are new sites. There's about 10 million right now and growing. And it's essentially an open social networking, kind of like Facebook, but it's not closed. Facebook is closed, these are open. Again, what this does is it registers your site in terms of you're a dentist, you're in New York, wherever your location is, and so when people are trying to search on their open networks, social networks, they can find your page and they can get to your information. The nice thing too about it is that if they want to, they can go ahead and click up here, and
I've been a Smile Reminder customer for 4.5 years now.
And they can watch the video testimonial. One of the nice things is, right here, this is our page that we're doing ourselves. We're using this to grow our business as well. Kind of turn this down. The nice thing about that is all this information, as well as the social networking things, we actually put on your own website as well. You don't have a website through us, we don't offer them. It doesn't matter. You know, we'll actually give you that code and be able to put that out there. And the nice thing about that is that you can essentially have video that you're grabbing testimonials, and you can have it hosted for free. So we don't charge anything to host it, which is really nice, and it's a great way to get there. The bottom line is I think patients or practices have not known how to use video, and in fact most businesses don't know how to use video. Just right now Amazon has started, in fact this week, acquiring video testimonials from their customers and launching that on their own websites as well as on the internet. Fortunately, we're ahead of the curve, way ahead of the curve in terms of that. We look at the internet as a new frontier, essentially, if you think about video and how that's functioning and what's happening. If you consider how practices have normally done it, they have an introduction to a practice. That's great, and those things are really important. You can do that within vSling, our feature, but that's only one instance out on the net. If you can have hundreds of patients out there talking about how great you are, that's the power. It's the maximum visibility, and that's really what we're focusing on with vSling.